Medhavi AI, from Sanskrit, meaning intelligent or intellectually brilliant. The perfect name for our AI-powered intelligent learning systems. The prompt. Claude Code Terminal, Claude I, plot the hydrogen 1s radial probability density P of R equals 4 over A0 cubed times R squared times e to the minus 2R over A0. Mark R at the peak and the mean radius. Label both in units of A0. The R squared factor is not optional. Leave it out and you answer the wrong question. The CLI writes it. Read before running. Find the line that defines P. It should read 4 over a 0 cubed times R squared times exp of negative 2R over a 0. If the R squared is missing, you have plotted the probability density at a point, not the radial probability. That is the single most common error in hydrogen atom calculations. 30 seconds. Catch it before the render. Run it. 2 checks. First, the teal marker at the peak. It lands at R equals A0, the Bohr radius. The most probable position to find the electron in the ground state is exactly 1 Bohr radius from the nucleus. Second, the crimson marker for the mean. It sits at 1.5 a 0. The mean is to the right of the peak. The tail pulls it. 2 different numbers for the same electron in the same state. Iterate. Claude update hydrogen.pii, shade the area under P of R beyond the peak. That is, beyond R equals A0. Label the shaded region with its integrated probability. 1 diff, 1 rerun. Prompt, read, run, check, change. The hydrogen atom was the vehicle. The loop is the takeaway. Medhavi, AI-powered intelligent learning systems, on YouTube at medhavi.ai, medhavi.com.